So visibility is everything, kind of in anything that we do. We've taken that to heart and really tried to give visibility into everything that we do every day. We're data driven, so everything that we produce or gain visibility into will be recorded. And where we see that helping our co-ops is they, in the past have either managed things internally or had another company manage it for them. And they just need to be able to see where that's going, what's happening to their system. And a lot of the, frustrations that have come out of anything to do with the joint use side is just inconsistency across the board. And where a lot of that inconsistency comes from is they don't have visibility into their past projects or current projects or what's going on in the day-to-day. So that's really been our mission, is just to give them as much visibility into the process as we possibly can.